Basic Coatings offers a complete line of products that provides sports floor professionals with the best routine maintenance options throughout the year. In addition, Basic Coatings offers a number of product and application options to satisfy your annual maintenance and recoating needs. Proper routine maintenance procedures are required to maintain the desired appearance level of the floor and to extend the time between interim and restorative maintenance procedures. Maximum floor appearance can only be achieved when the floor coating is as clean and smooth as possible. Let's get started on the proper procedures for routine maintenance. When working with any cleaning chemical, remember to wear the proper PPE and be aware of all other health and safety precautions. Always handle chemicals away from the wood floor in case there are leaks or spills. Lastly, before starting any work, place the appropriate wet floor signs in areas where maintenance is to be performed. Thoroughly vacuum all entrance floor matting to remove soils and prevent them from being tracked onto the floor. A long-handle scraper or a putty knife should be used to remove stickers, gum, and other debris adhered to the floor surface. Using a clean, dry dust mop, carefully sweep the entire floor surface. Use Squeaky Concentrate floor cleaner to clean the floor, either by tack mopping or by using an auto scrubber. Please note that auto scrubber use may void certain warranties. Check with the flooring manufacturer before using an auto scrubber and exercise caution if there are large gaps between boards, as water could get under the floor. To tack mop, dilute Squeaky Concentrate at a ratio of 1 to 4 gallons of cool water in a bucket. Soak several large towels in the solution, making sure they are thoroughly wet. Wring out the towels to remove excess moisture. Wrap a towel around a push broom and tack the floor. To prevent redisposition of dirt and oil, refold towels using clean sides as needed. Pay special attention to corners. Repeat the procedure in each area of the floor until the entire floor has been cleaned. For auto scrubber application, place a white or microfiber pad on the pad driver. Fill the auto scrubber with clean, cool water and add squeaky cleaner at a ratio of 2 to 4 ounces per gallon, depending on floor conditions and soil load. Begin scrubbing the floor. Always try to clean the floor with the grain of wood, overlapping slightly with each pass. Do not use excessive water and make sure the squeegee is down and the vac motor is on and working properly. Detail mop corners and pick up any solution left on the floor. It is not necessary to rinse. Allow the floor to dry before removing wet floor signs or performing further maintenance. Air movers can be used to expedite dry times. Routine maintenance will make your floors look better and last longer. When performed properly, routine maintenance will extend the time between interim or restorative maintenance. For more information, call 800-441-1934, contact your local regional manager, or visit basiccoatings.com.